Presentation of the pilot of Aquaculture 7.04 from Hoceima Marine Observatory. It's about the integrating of citizen science and digital twin technologies for sustainable coastal management, the case of Caleris. Presented by NIBANI Houssine, President of AGIR, Association of Integrated Management Resources, and Hoceima Marine Observatory leader. Before describing this pilot, let me introduce the challenges that the marine protected area of Hoceima faces. Coastal ecosystem under pressure, growing anthropogenic pressures and climate change, threats to biodiversity and ecosystem services, pollution, overfishing, habitat degradation, socioeconomic vulnerabilities of coastal communities. Since 2008, AGIR opted for bottom-up participatory approaches, combining innovative nature-based solutions certified by IUC England with community and scientific involvement to drive change and prevention. The digital twin, by integrating real-time digital data, enhances the measurement and evaluation of changes. It enables virtual testing of solutions to correct negative trends and improve decision making. At the Marine Observatory, we use surface sensors and gliders to collect real-time data on water quality and marine conditions, aiming to improve water quality. This helps us to produce high-quality aquaculture products while minimizing environmental impacts and maintaining ecosystem health. This diagram, created with Miradi software by AGIR, illustrated the complex organization of norms and actions necessary to nature conservation. It shows how different stakeholders and interventions are interconnected to achieve sustainable ecosystem management objectives. The diagram highlights the coordination between surveillance, resource management, and stakeholder participation, facilitating strategic decision-making and effective action planning. At Caleris, advanced systems like surface sensors and gliders collect real-time data on water and marine conditions. This integrated approach, supported by the conservation standards diagram on a decision dashboard, helps improve water quality, reduce impacts, and protect the ecosystem. Currently, our focus with the AGIR team is on monitoring species evolution and tracking biodiversity progress. We are also working on refining methods to better understand ecosystem health and adapt our management strategy accordingly.
يقارب المترين. هذا المسبار المائي يعد مختبرا متكاملا مزودا بثلاثة أجهزة استشعار لجمع وتخزين المعلومات حول كل ما يتعلق بالبيئة البحرية، حجم التلوث وانتشار الميكروبلاستيك والبلانكتون، وكمية الأكسجين ودرجة حرارة المياه. في سابقة هي الأولى على الصعيدين الوطني والقاري، تم أمس إطلاق هذا المسبار في مياه المنتزه الوطني للحسيمة.
Which is, I don't really know what. So we did this before.
We have also successfully deployed monitoring system to enhance marine surveillance in collaboration with national and institutional authorities. Additionally, the AGIR team, with its expertise, participates in guidance mission within the framework of the Hoceima Coastal Master Program and the Hoceima Marine Observatory. These collaborations aims to strengthen research, education, and sustainable management of the area. The projects promote the use of interoperability standards adopting the Darwin Core and PPSR Core frameworks to structure and standardize citizen science data. This approach ensures seamless integration with digital platforms like ILIAD, fostering collaboration across local observatories, regional initiatives, and global networks. Such standards supporting alignment with international protocol for marine biodiversity and ecosystem monitoring. In addition, efforts include training at the Hoceima Marine Observatory through summer school, supporting early career ocean professionals, and contributing to the Coastal Masters and Oceanography program for 8 cohorts from 2017 to 2025. This capacity building enhances regional expertise and promotes sustainable ocean management. Furthermore, the initiative supports 8 PhD oceanography students, a startup, Zephyrs, for eco-promotion and ongoing community engagement activities. These efforts actively involve fishers, aquaculture workers, and youth groups to foster local participation in marine conservation and research, ensuring the broader societal impact of scientific endeavors. AGIR is currently developing an institute data integration platform using tools like SWAN and standardized application programming interfaces. These are sets of rules that enable different software systems to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. These applications facilitate the concentration, harmonization, and real-time visualization of environmental data collected from sensors and gliders. These initiatives aims to support effective and interoperable management of key parameters, enabling quick and accurate decision-making for sustainable aquaculture. Additionally, the first diagrams illustrating this data have already been created, demonstrating the feasibility and the potential of this approach. The young eco professionals are working on developing new mobile applications to enhance aquaculture management through real-time environmental data. These apps will allow farmers and managers to easily access key parameters like water temperature, oxygen levels, chlorophyll, and productivity, collected via sensors deployed on site. Designed with user-friendly interfaces, these applications will enable proactive decision-making by providing alerts when conditions change suddenly. Their goal is to support sustainable, efficient farm management, promote transparency, and help farmers optimize production while protecting the environment. To advance within the already established framework, we need to follow these actions. First, enhancing data density by deploying high-frequency multi-source data collection, integrating citizen science with the automate sensors to fill spatial and temporal gaps, thereby improving ecosystem assessment and enabling real-time response. Second, reinforce inclusive governance by actively involving local community, fisher association, women's group, and youth. This ensures that traditional knowledge complements scientific insights and supports shared coastal management. Regarding insights and challenges, we advise leveraging standardized interoperable data set to inform national policies, regional coordination efforts like IMAP, and global commitments such as the 30-30 targets, while promoting transparency and accountability. Finally, building long-term partnership is essential. Continued support is needed for capacity strengthening and operational sustainable to turn the Marine Observatory of Al Hoceima into a high-impact, fully operational monitoring hub, ensuring the enduring success of this initiative. The way forward involves implementing locally led, digitally driven marine project governance by integrating advanced tools such as digital twin ocean and smart MPEs. These intelligent management units will facilitate the transition from static paper-based protected zone to adaptive systems that are inclusive, evidence-based, and resilient, utilizing real-time monitoring, socio-ecological feedback, and flexible governance models for more effective conservation. Furthermore, establishing strong long-term partnership is crucial. Continued technical and financial support is essential to operationalize and maintain the Marine Observatory, with ongoing investments in deployment, capacity building, and systems maintenance to ensure sustained impact and long-term success.